how to add Notion calendar into Notion. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open, of course, the Notion website or the Notion software that you're using. So once you're now here, as you can see, we are in the homepage of the Notion. Now, in order to add a calendar, what we're going to do right here is to go on the left screen, right here on the private section. Now, once you're now here, you will see this plus icon, which is right here, which says add a page. Now, what we're going to do is to click that. And then as you can see, this window popped up. Now, what we're going to do is to click this empty page. We now have an empty page. What we're going to do next is to name the page into whatever we want. So let's say, for example, that we want to name this into calendar. So just do that. And then once you do that, just click enter. Now what we're going to do next is to type slash and then calendar. And then just search for calendar view, which is right here. So just click that. And then once you do that, as you can see, we now have the calendar into Notion. So if you want to add some certain changes or if you want to edit your calendar, you can do that by just going in this part right here. And then let's say, for example, that you want to add a task, right? So what we're going to do is to go here on the calendar. Now, let's say, for example, that we want to add a task on April 10, which is right here. So what we're going to do is to just drag our mouse right here inside the box and then click the plus icon. And then once you do that, this window will pop up. Now what we're going to do is to name it task 1 right there. Now, if you want to change it into whatever name you want, you can also do that. So this is just an example. Now for the tags, if you want to add some tags right here, let's say, for example, that you want to tag it as done, just click enter. And then let's say, for example, in progress. And then let's say, for example, can't do. Let's say, for example, those are the tags that you want to add. And then what we're going to do right here on the add a property is to just click that. And then you will see a bunch of type that you can add on the property or the task. Now, what we're going to do or what I'm going to do is to just add a text right here. So I'm just going to add some description on what the task is. So just click that. And then for the text, let's say, for example, that the task is create a YouTube channel right there. Now, if you want to add some comment, you can also do that. And if you want to add more tasks, you can also do that right here. So just type space or just type I for the commands. Now, once you're done, just click the homepage again. And then as you can see, we now have a task which is set on April 10. So that is basically it. That is how to add a Notion calendar into Notion.